Did you know your body is hiding secrets that even science is still discovering? Stay tuned, because here are 5 unknown facts about the human body that will blow your mind. Fact 1. Bone renewal. First up, your bones aren't as permanent as you think. Every 7 to 10 years, your entire skeleton is completely replaced with new bone cells. That's right, your body is constantly rebuilding itself. Fact 2. Human body glow. Here's something wild. Your body actually emits a faint glow. It's invisible to the naked eye, but your cells produce light through chemical reactions like a natural, super subtle nightlight. Fact 3. Stomach lining renewal. Your stomach is a powerhouse of acid, but it protects itself by renewing its lining every 3 to 4 days. Without this, your stomach would literally digest itself. Fact 4. Brain power. Your brain generates about 23 watts of power, enough to light a small bulb even when you're asleep. Imagine the energy inside your head right now. Fact 5. Bacteria outnumber human cells. And finally, you're actually more bacteria than humans. Your body hosts around 39 trillion bacterial cells, outnumbering your own cells by more than 1 to 1. These tiny tenants keep you healthy in ways you can't imagine. The human body is a fascinating mystery full of surprises. If you want more mind-blowing facts, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the ring bell icon. Thanks for watching.